185.
It's the Hill Today Honda YouTube channel. Oh, hell yes.
Well, here it is. The 185. Wait a minute. 1980 185.
Yeah.
ATC Honda 3-wheeler.
She's bad. For sure.
She's got a valve issue. We're gonna have to sort that out. Don't know the cause yet. I know that under compression with the spark plug in, it's coming back through the carburetor. Which usually means something's reversed or something's stuck. So we're gonna have to take that apart and see if those valves are moving. Valves might be stuck. If that's the case, then that really sucks.
Yes,
But
sir.
whatever. We'll get it figured out.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna need a lot of work.
Oh, hell yeah.
It'll be a good project. It'll be right to ride once we get it there. So we've dug into the Honda a little bit, and I can tell you right now that it looks like we're going to have to pull that head off, because we are at top dead center, just after the firing mark on the cam. You can't really see it right now, but I can tell you right now the timing is backwards or set wrong, because there's a little dot right here that tells you where that is supposed to be. Another thing I'm noticing is, man, that cam chain is loose. So I don't know what's going on there. I've tried tightening it. It won't tighten. This side's tight. This side's loose. So I'm not going to mess with that until we get this reversed. The way I know that somebody just didn't put it on wrong, and that it's probably going to be just completely out of order, is the valve adjustments are super tight, which tells me that it's getting ready to push down on one of them at least and release the other. So it looks like it's just all jacked up. So our next step is going to be pulling that head off and taking a look at the head, make sure there's not bent valves or something like that. All in a step to get this thing to run. Tighten that back down so you don't lose that. So anyway, I just want to stop and check in and show you what we found out. So I'm going to pull that head tonight, and who knows when it'll go back together. It probably won't be for a couple weeks. Well, so here's where we're at. I have pulled the head up, and when I pulled the cam out, it was upside down. So that would explain why the timing was 180 degrees backwards. The cam got put in backwards. So now we've got the cam out, and we're going to clean it all up here. We're going to get it set back in there with the lobes down at top dead center, which will set this just right. Then we'll put this on with the little tiny dot up, which should set our valve timing perfect. Because if I'm not mistaken, with nothing's pushing them down, they shouldn't be open right now. But anyway, we'll have to dig in here and check out a couple other things too. Yeah, right here. There's a lobe, or the lash. We'll have to check the lash and everything while we're doing it. But the only other thing I got to deal with here is my cam chain seems really loose, and once I get it all back together, I don't want to see it jump. So those are going to be the next steps for working on the 03-wheeler. What's up, everybody? We're going to treat the tank real quick. We're going to use the good old grocery store vinegar. We're going to fill her up, flip her over, and let her sit. Get all the rust out of the tank before we clean the tank on the outside and do some welding to fix a couple holes. All right. Lovely smell in the morning. So we'll let her sit like this for 4 days, probably about 4 days, and then we'll dump her out. We'll see what it looks like. Should get the majority of the rust out of there.
Crap.
All right, go until I get a jam.
Oh yeah.
No jam. No, Billy. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!